Hello bogies. I know you're getting bored. I'm getting bored. More sanding, more fillering, more prep. Okay, I think I'm making a mess of the roof quite a lot, so let's clean the roof up so we can see the whole car as a whole, see where we are, see what bits we've still got to do, and see what we've missed, and see what we've done. Just going to do some more scotching over the roof, right around in the gutters that you can't get to easily. Alright, roof's nearly done. There's just a little couple of spots where I just want to put a little bit of filler in. I think that's just going to be it, otherwise I'm going to be here for my whole life and I'm never going to get it finished. So, you know, I think I've done my best. So, yeah, a little bit of filler. And I still need to just go over the whole car, still check everything over, still loads more sanding to do. Alright, I've sort of been neglecting the back end. Really not much to do really though. I've skimmed a bit when I was doing other stuff, but need to just scotch everything inside. We'll get it masked up as well, because hopefully I'm aiming for this episode to be to the point at the end of this episode to be able to put primer on in the next one. So I'm going to take the boot hinges off. Made the mistake last time when I sprayed a car with them on. I'll do them separately later, either with the doors or worst case I can just spray them individually, even with a rattle can if needed. Okay, back panel rub down I think. What I'm just doing is just going around panel at a time now, just so I know that I've done each panel and don't leave that panel until I think I've actually done it. I'm pretty sure I'm going to miss bits. It's life. I ain't a body shop, so yeah, so just panel at a time so you don't forget stuff. What else I was going to say? I don't know. Just back onto the roof a bit, done this rear quarter. Okay, roof, rear panel, rear quarter done. Still need to go over with some panel wipes yet. We're getting there. Alright, moving around to the front of the car and the front wings, but I'm getting hungry, so I need a Scooby snack. Oh, I'll be eating if you put that. Better out than in. So a bit of cheese on toast, give me a bit of a boost. So yeah, let's crack on with this front end. Let's see if we can get this ready for a bit of primer. Nearly getting there, just this door frame in the rear quarter. And I think it's getting close to at least trying to, let's put some prime on it and just see what it looks like. I think I'm going to put a bit of extra prime on the bare metal still. I always do that, I don't know why. I like to think it's good, so carry on. Alright, well, I think I'm done for the moment. I'm sure I've missed bits, you know, but you guys wanted me to try and paint it myself, so I'll give it a go. And yeah, so yeah, it's all rubbed down. What we'll do is, we might well need a bit more filler, but we won't know that until we sort of block it and prime it, or prime it and block it. So what I'm going to do now, have a big clear up in the next episode, get some panel wipes that I need to pop out and get, give the whole thing a wipe down, put a bit of extra primer on the bare metal bits I think, and we'll get some filler primer on the whole car. Finish masking up because I need to do a lot more masking up yet. So yeah, sorry guys, but you're going to have to wait to the next episode for the primer.